So this is how to check if your Google account is linked to a Google AdSense that you do not know about in 2026 and in 2020 anytime you watch it. So first, go to your browser and search for studio.youtube.com. Click on continue to studio. Then click on the setting. It's in the downside. You will see it, the downside. When you click on it, you see general, you shall see it. General, then channel, then upload default. Click on channels. Then you see basic info. Then advanced settings. So click on what? Advanced setting. So you will see, do you want your channel made for kids? Always put on no, not made for kids. Then swipe down. Then you will see your Google account if it is linked and if it's not linked. So if you are not linked it, leave it. But I'm not the one. Remove it. But before you remove it, you can check whose AdSense, whose Google AdSense is this. And you want to know how to check whose Google AdSense is. Let me know in the comment section and I'll create a video about it. Yes, let me know in the comment section if you want to know whose Google AdSense is it. Let me know in the comment section. So I'll going to create a video about it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And what? See you in my next video. Hi, I am Bulu Vibes. Sorry. Don't forget to check out my playlist. Hi, I am Bulu Vibes. Bye bye.